Hey there, it's Ron from GreenGeeks. Today I'll be talking about backups. Let's face it, backups are the insurance policy for your website. While GreenGeeks has you covered with our backups, having your own backups can give you that extra peace of mind. Today I'll be showing you how to create a full cPanel backup, a partial cPanel backup, and a custom backup. Once we're in cPanel, locate the Files section and click on Backup. The first option is Download a Full Account Backup. This lets you generate a full cPanel backup. This is an archive that can be restored onto any cPanel server, not just GreenGeeks. Our migration team uses full cPanel backups to easily migrate customers to our platform. Any backup you generate will show on this page. Let's go ahead and set one up now. Click Download a Full Account Backup. Let's go ahead and leave these options the same. You can enable an email notification if you like, and just click Generate Backup. You'll see the confirmation showing the backup is in progress. And when you go back to the home page of the backup section, you'll see the backup actually already completed and is ready for download. You can just click right here and the download immediately starts. Partial backups let you export specific areas of your cPanel account instead of generating a full backup. This is a great tool to help export larger accounts in segments instead of all at once. The same interface lets you restore partial backups. Note that you cannot restore a full cPanel backup through the cPanel interface. However, our migration team can take care of that for you. Simply upload the full cPanel backup into File Manager, then visit your GreenGeeks account and submit a migration request. Let us know you've uploaded the backup to your account and our team will take care of everything for you. Finally, let's look at creating a custom backup. Back on the cPanel homepage, click on File Manager. Here you'll see the backup we just generated in the last step. Our website files generally exist under the public HTML folder. So let's go ahead and generate a custom backup of our website files so that we can have something safe to restore later for when we build our new website. Right-click on the public HTML folder and click Compress. Click Zip Archive, then click Compress Files. Allow a moment for the archive to finish. It'll archive everything within the folder and show you the output here. Click Close, and you will see the file public.html.zip located here. So you can right-click, click Rename, and you can date this October 8th or 2024 08 10 08 public.html.zip, and you can just double click it to download it. Now we have this file downloaded on our computer in a safe location, dated, and we know exactly what it is just in case we ever need to refer to it later. Remember to delete your backup after you downloaded it, and be sure to remove your full cPanel backup as well once you have that. If your website has a database, be sure you don't forget your database backups. Now you know how to manage your backups in cPanel. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, hit subscribe for me, and I'll see you in the next one.